Easy $800 per day with Rumble automation. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money online, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will demonstrate a simple method for earning $100 to $800 each day using Rumble automation. Stick around, this is one video you don't want to miss. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Rumble.com is a website where users can watch and share videos. It is quickly becoming a leading competitor to YouTube, with many features that are appealing to users. These include a clean layout, free and reliable uploads, and streaming, as well as fully embeddable videos. There are a number of ways to earn money on Rumble.com, but one of the most popular is through its affiliate program. Rumble.com pays its users based on how many times their videos are watched. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Rumble automation to make an easy $800 per day. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a dad, or a student, or just need some extra cash, this system is for you. But before we go any further, make sure you hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss a single video. Also, be sure to watch our other videos. I would like to point out that this method is free. You won't have to spend any money on the things I mentioned here. Rumble is just like YouTube, so it can pay you no matter where in the world you live. But before we get into the Rumble, what we need to do first is to visit a website that will do the automation. It's called https://writesonic.com. This website will generate a script for your videos so you won't have to write one yourself. It will be going to use AI to create your script for you. All you have to do is sign up. To sign up, type in your name, email, and password. After you sign up for an account, they will send you an email to confirm your identity. All you have to do is follow the link in the email and confirm your account. If you can't find the email in your main box, check the spam folder. It might be there. You will be prompted to create a new project when you first log into the website. To do so, simply click in the center of the screen or on the Create a New button in the upper left-hand corner. In order to name your project, simply click Project and then select Continue. Your project has now been successfully created. Once you create your project, search for AI Article Writer 3.0 in the left corner. You could use the Get an Idea feature to create the main context of your video. For example, 5 ways to build an online business that makes you money on autopilot. Once you have your title, the next part would be making an intro. So just click Generate on the next page and it will create an intro for your video automatically. After having the title and intro, you also need to generate an outline for your video. So to do that, just simply click the Generate button again on the next page. In the 4th step, there is a Get an Article feature. Use that to get the whole body of your script. After creating your original script using the Writesonic website, we're going to copy the title and context of the video. Just select the whole script and hit Copy. Also, you can use the AI to generate the voiceover of your script. To create the video, you can either hire a freelancer from Fiverr or Upwork. However, if you want to save some money, you can edit it yourself by watching tutorials online. This process is much easier as you already have the script and voiceover prepared. In addition to Writesonic, you can also use Synthesia. It is an AI video editor that creates and edits professional-looking videos from text right in your browser. However, this website charges you monthly. It costs $30 a month. Hey, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel. Now let's get back to the video. Assuming that you've already created your video, the next thing you need to do is go to rumble.com. The first page you'll see when you arrive at the website is the home page. If the website looks a little different to you, don't worry. It's just because they updated something, but everything else is pretty much the same. So, to see who's earning money on Rumble right now, all you have to do is click on these 3 lines in the left-hand corner and choose Licensed Videos. The moment you click License Videos, all of the videos that are currently generating money from the website will appear on your screen. For example, this video earned 13 cents, while this one over here generated $18 and $1.45. These are the most recent videos that have been posted to the platform, and they're already making money. Remember that you're not only going to make money from ads, you'll also make sales, and it's all completely automated, so don't worry about it. To create a Rumble account, click on Sign In at the top right corner of the homepage and then follow the prompts to create an account. There are 3 types of accounts in Rumble. To explain it, the free account is generally sufficient for most content creators who only want to upload and monetize videos on the Rumble platform. A publisher account is excellent if you also want to monetize your videos and embed it on other sites. Meanwhile, the business account is useful for people who want to host their own videos and have full control over their content. So now you just have to fill out this form with your name, username, password, email address, country of residence, referral code, if you have one, and date of birth. After that's all set up, click Register down at the bottom and you're good to go. After logging in the top right corner of the screen, there will be a plus sign. Click on that and it will take you to the video section. Let's go ahead and upload the video to the website. To do this, simply click on the Upload Video button and select your file. Once you reach the page, you'll see an option to choose your file and hit Upload. Upload your video to the site using the same title that you generated in the script. You can add your affiliate link to the video description in order to make sales. To get your offers, there are lots of affiliate marketing opportunities out there, and I've compiled a list of some of the best ones. Digistar24 is a great place to start, as they have plenty of offers available and have several products with that you can affiliate yourself. You can also go to topmob.io and cpagrip.com, both of which give CPA offers, and both of these websites will provide you with deals that you can utilize to promote on your videos to generate passive income in addition to the ads that you'll be earning. On the video thumbnail, you can put a picture that represents what is in the video. For tags, use keywords that relate to your video content. And that's it! I hope you discover how to generate money using Rumble automation. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, said Albert Einstein. If you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me, so we'll get things moving right away. Remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.